Channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from an old phone to a new one. So this is my new phone now. So I want to transfer my old data, my old things on my new or my old phone to my new phone. So you go to your settings. So now you come down here to your Google. This is my new phone. Click on your Google. Then scroll up. Click on backup. And this is it. Google is going to bring everything that you have back up in the Google on your new phone. If you remember, in one of our tutorial, I've taught you how to back up your files, your everything in your phone into your Google. So once you back up everything in your old phone, you'll be able to recover everything back into your new phone. So if you don't know how to back up your data, go to go to our channel and check one of our video on how to back up data to Google. So you'll be able to retrieve everything back to your new phone. So if you found this video interesting, click the like button, share and comment. Once this backup finish, you're going to see all your pictures, your video, everything, your SMS. This is what a backup included. You see it, your all everything, your call history, your SMS, everything is going to show on your new phone. So thank you guys for watching.